Good morning, YouTube. It's Charlie from Reader Turned Writer. Today I am doing a day in the life vlog, and it is Wednesday. So I have been doing these day in the life vlogs for each day of the week. I have different jobs assigned to each day, so I thought I would just show you what each day is kind of like. I just woke up. It's about 7:30. I woke up maybe 10 minutes ago. I read in my scriptures, and now I am getting a balance bar, and I'm gonna go get the girls, get them food, and write. I don't love to write when they're awake, but I do want to get my writing in today. And I was up late last night, so I slept in a little this morning. Today is laundry day. Wednesdays are laundry days, and I just try and get all the laundry through to the dryer, and then I put it away on Thursdays. It's also the day I do all the stuff for my calling in my church. I am a leader over the young women in our ward that are 12 to 18. But I already did most of the stuff that I do today on Sunday. It's just kind of how it worked out this week. So today is a little less busy, except that we had decided to go to the lake this afternoon. So that should be pretty fun. And then the other thing that I want to do today is work on editing some videos, because I have some videos that I need to edit for this week to get up, and I want to start editing these vlog videos because I know that's going to take me forever. Okay, so it is about 9 o'clock now, and I've been working on writing off and on. It's been kind of more difficult, like a more difficult section to edit, and so I've been on Facebook a couple times, and I have stopped to help my kids get more food and just different things like that. So I've been working on writing on and off for about an hour and a half. What I've done is, there was one small section where my main character kind of changes her mind about something a little suddenly, so I tried to make that a little less sudden. And then the main thing I've been working on, she is in an interrogation. She's been captured and someone is interrogating her. And before I had her basically figure out what's going on through kind of a train of thought, like, oh, this and this and this, that must mean this. And it didn't seem very believable, and it was kind of weird. So what I did is I actually have been changing it so that she doesn't figure it out and she has no idea what's going on until she actually gives away the information that they want. Before, I had her be able to kind of figure it out and not give away the information, but now I have her not figure it out and she gives away the information, and then they then they say something more direct about it, and she figures out that she just gave away the information. And I'm about halfway through fixing that scene. It's taking a lot of work. It's actually really hard to change it, but I think it's going to be a lot better once I do finish it. So tomorrow I want to finish the other half of it. Well, we went to the lake, and I'm with Parker. We're walking back to the car, and she's eating a banana. And it was a really fun time at the lake. I swam to the dock a few times for my exercise today, and it was fun. I love swimming. And now we're just walking back. We're with my brother-in-law and sister-in-law, and it was actually fairly busy, busier than we thought it would be on a Wednesday, so just it is what it is. Okay, so we are home. We are all cleaned up and showered and everything, and exhausted. I put Riley down for her nap, a little bit of a late nap, about an hour later than we normally put her down. The girls are watching Fancy Nancy and just resting in the living room. I'm going to have a Chobani flip and go work on like editing videos, and then while they're exporting I will read in my books. So I edited some videos, and while they were exporting, I read in Snape A Definitive Reading. And then I had my oldest daughter help me make dinner. She really likes to help. It's like quality time for her, and it's actually, she's old enough that it's actually useful most of the time. We had some leftover chicken that I cut up, and we did chicken stroganoff with some cucumbers that our neighbors gave us out of their garden, so it was pretty yummy. Here's Riley coming to join me as a kitty cat. Then we did scriptures, and we were talking about, we're reading the Book of Mormon this year for our curriculum with our church. We're in the war chapters, and so we built a fort because of the fortifications that they made in the war, and talked about how we can fortify our lives against Satan and yada yada, and it was a pretty good in the scriptures. Now I sent the two oldest upstairs because they were driving me crazy. Ouch, Riley. And Riley's just walking in and out of the fort. And now I am going to just relax and watch some YouTube and get on Instagram and catch up on kind of the people that I follow there. But do you like the Wheels on the Bus song?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say bye.
Bye.
Well, we moved outside. We were having a hard time inside getting along. So we came out here, and now the kids are playing in the mud. We have a little dirt hill for when we eventually finish our backyard to spread out in our yard, and we just have left it in kind of a pile so the kids can play in it when they come out here. And I'm just on Instagram still. It's gonna be the kids' bedtime soon. Somehow I made it to bedtime. It was a pretty long evening, but we made it through, and now they're in bed. And I have no idea what my husband and I will do now. Something fun, hopefully, and relaxing. Alright, it's the end of the day. What my husband and I did was make ice cream. We made homemade chocolate ice cream, and then we looked through the family pictures together that we just got to decide which ones we want to buy. So my day went pretty well. The lake was really fun. I kind of forgot about laundry for most of the day, but I did manage to get everything except one load into the washing machine. I was able to work on my videos quite a bit. I edited and uploaded 2 videos. So now it is about 10:15, and I am going to read in my book until I get sleepy, which probably won't be very long. If you liked this vlog video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe for lots of writing content. Thank you for joining me today on my daily vlog and for watching my video. I will see you in the next one.